So welcome on stage Lee from ZTE Corporation. He'll be talking about smart home technology and how it changes our lives. Come up here on stage. You brought some hardware too.
Yes, actually this is our IP camera, which also belongs to the IoT, Internet of Things. It's a smart IP camera, which will help you to control and see what happened in your house or in some individual enterprise, you know.
So I can use that to actually check up on my dog when I leave home. I can use that one.
Sure, yes, that's what exactly this machine will work. Yes.
Nice. Probably my dog will start playing with it if it rolls around, but it looks pretty nice. So next 20 minutes are yours.
Okay, thank you. 1 minute, please. Let me see. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's my honor to have the chance to discuss something about the smart home technology. You know that first, let's think about what is smart. In my opinion, smart means first, something knows me very well. Second, he can provide what I need. So, because now for our families, we need a smart home. Why? Because if, for example, me, now I'm on a business trip in Germany for this CeBIT, but my parents, my kids, and my pets is still in my home. And I'm very concerned about what happened for them every day, right? So what can I do and how can I know what happened for my kids and my families? This means we have the smart home technology and a device. You can see this. This is the product provided by ZTE Corporation. ZTE Corporation can provide the total solution for smart home, including the IP camera, mini IP camera, and also for the networking products, including Wi-Fi router, PLC router, and also mini AP, something like this. Okay, let's go ahead. You can see first, this is what I bring here this time. You can see ZTE, this IP camera, it got the best connected home service on 2015 of BBWF. What is the only award by BBWF until now? You can see the definition is 1080p, and it can be controlled remotely by our mobile phone because we have an application which can be installed by our mobile phone. I want also to show you here. 1 minute, please. See, this is the application which will use to install on your mobile phone, either Android or iOS. And then you can see here, maybe the picture is a little small for you. You can see that if I want to watch what happened in my family, okay, I then just connect to the IP camera, which is located in my house. And then I can get everything and all the information for my family. And we can also control it remotely by this app. We can change the direction for left and right, up and down. And also, even if at night, if all the lights in our family is off, right, it's turned off, we can also see everything because our IP camera can support the night vision. So this is some of the snapshot of our application. You can see that, and we can also talk with our families, not only see what happened, and also not only see the video or pictures. We can also talk with them by send a voice message or also directly communication with them. See here, what means smart voice? Because sometimes the children or the elderly person in our family, maybe they don't know how to use this equipment very well, right? Then we have an easy way. We just use the smart voice control function. For example, we just need to say, "Hello, Zandra." Then our IP camera, I will show you again. Yes. When I say, "Hello, Zandra," okay, this IP camera will start to record a video For the holders, after 10 seconds, okay, this is one function. After 10 seconds, because I'm in Germany now, right? And then I will get a message from my mobile phone, from the app, that, okay, my family want to talk with me after 10 seconds. And then I will click that button on our app, then talk with them and also see what's happening in my family. That means the smart voice control. And the password is, just I mentioned, is hello, Zandra, something like this. And it can also be customized if you want to something else. Okay, so for this high definition IP camera, by this way, you can get more details for the pictures and also for the videos. And one thing important is that if, because after I watching what happened in my family, if I want to store everything, so what can we do? At ZTE Zandra solution, we can support many kinds of local storage and cloud storage. You can see here. Oh, sorry. This, see this? First, we can support local storage by TF card. You see here, in our IP camera, here is the TF slot. We just insert the TF card inside, and then all the pictures and videos which recorded by configuration will be stored safely. Second is that we can also provide a cloud storage service. It means if this IP camera is missed or damaged, all the information will be saved on the platform. And then you can get the necessary information after the events. And the third way is less. It means, because you know that, we know that the capacity of the TF card is limited, right? So if I want to store all the videos for a long time, and if the capacity for the TF card is not enough, then what can I do? Yes, ZTE has a solution. We can support the NAS storage. It means you can use a hard disk or something like this to store all the information by NAS technology. So it means, in a summary, ZTE can support TF storage, NAS storage, and cloud storage. Okay? And then here is the ZTE total solution for Zandra. You can see that first we have the IP camera in the family, and we can use the application in our mobile phone and to control and see everything, right? And also, this is the first stage, actually. The second stage is that ZTE can also provide the home security solution. For example, we have many kinds of sensors, like you can see here, for door entry, right? And for motion sensor. This is for to detect anything which is not permitted, right? Second is that, for example, you know that there is some gas which is dangerous for our health. And also, if we get some smoke, it means maybe some fire happened. All of such kind of things will be detected by the security sensors. And also, for example, take Germany for example. If in the summer, maybe the temperature is very high, we feel very hot. So I have a requirement is that I can turn on the AC in my family half an hour in advance, right? And then I set the proper temperature. And then after I reach home, I will get very comfortable, right? So this means the home automation. So all such kind of functions will be provided by stage 2 from ZTE Zandra solution. And then we can see the ZTE Zandra smart home solution architecture. This is the infrastructure of our platform, including hardware and software. You can see here. we can provide the loss-bound interface to integrate it with the both system from the service provider and also for the third party, right? And then we can also provide the source-bound interface to integrate the third-party devices, I mean the sensors or device from the user side. And then for our system itself, we can process all of the user information, device information, or third-party management by the surface processing module. Up to now, this is the outstanding architecture for a worldwide comparison. So, just what we mentioned is that, yes, we can share the video, share the pictures, everything happening in our family. But basically, the broadband should be available in our house or for the small and middle enterprise, right? So how to solve the problem for home networking? Yes, ZTE, we can also provide the end-to-end solution by Lattice-sphere. You can see, because as we know that if we just put a Wi-Fi router in our house, since the house is big, maybe it has 2 floors, right? So the Wi-Fi singular will be very weak after some wall or go to the second floor. So what can we do for you is that we can provide you the Wi-Fi router. We can provide you the PLC adapter. So for every home or every house which you want to connect to the broadband, so just use such kind of series of networking products. And we have also have a brand as Lattice-sphere. So this solution actually, it is a basement. We can deploy this to make our home to share the broadband. And then, just now we mentioned 2 parts. One is the Zandra smart home solution, right? Second is for the home networking. So for such kind of CPs, what is ZTE's achievement? Okay, then we can go through about some information. According to the report from Owen, it is also a European analysis company. I think maybe you know this. Okay, until 2015, the first half year, ZTE ranks the top 2 vendors for broadband CPEs, including Wi-Fi routers, PLC adapters, and also ONT, ONU, all things like this. So for both unit, as we know that by this analyzed company, the information will be calculated by 2 ways. One way is by unit, and the second way is by revenue. So both unit and revenue, ZTE ranks the top 2, so all over the world. And then, see here, well, ZTE we have already provided many. See what happened? Up to 2000, the first half year, ZTE has deployed the shipment reach up to more than 180 million units and the service for more than 80 countries. Yes, this is the achievement which made by ZTE until the 2000 first half year. And then, as we mentioned just now, that we have the IP camera, we have the smart home solution, right? And also we have the home networking products. But for operators or for service providers, because if they provide such kind of equipment to the customers, they have to operation it, right? So what is the business model? Which kind of service can the service provider or operators provide to the customers? So we can discuss something about the business model. Actually, up to now, there is not so much mature service can be provided to the customer through the vendors, operators, or suppliers. ZTE has done many trials for this part. And what is already available now is for this cloud storage, which we just mentioned, right? So because for some person, but maybe it's not required for everyone, but many people have such kind of requirement that they want to store the video and pictures on the cloud, right? And then if he want to see something, he can just visit this cloud and to get what he wants. Actually, ZTE, we have got more than 100,000 subscribers, which registered by IP camera, and around 30% of this total subscribers, they need the cloud storage service. So by this way, the service provider or operator, they can charge the subscribers or the consumers by this cloud storage service, right? For example, for each month, maybe we can only charge them €5. Like this is cheap, right? But if the quantity of the subscriber is large, and then the revenue will also be outstanding. This is what we're talking about, the business model. And also, maybe in the future, more and more smart home services will be available for consumers. I think on that day, the market for the smart home will be very big. And the life for everyone will be very convenient. It means the smart home technology change everyone's life. Okay, this is my presentation. Thank you.
So are there any questions?
Okay. Yes, any question?
I would really like to play with that one later on.
Yes. Actually, I also installed one of these IP camera in my house, and I can check everything by my mobile phone. Yes, the same equipment like this.
Yeah, and then I can check it with my mobile phone, but can I hear? Is there a speaker in there?
Actually, right now, because this one is not connected to the network, this is only for show, but by my mobile, you can see. You can get everything, voice, videos, pictures, everything in my mobile, yes. For example, if you buy one of these and install it in your home, you can get everything. You can see this. You can get everything. Just click this button. You will get everything in your house or in your enterprise, in your office, right?
I'm living in a shared apartment. I really want to try that one day, see who's coming into my room.
Okay, so why not?
Thank you very much for your talk and that tiny little device you brought.
Okay.
What, you done?
Yes, okay, I'm done. Okay.